Hi everyone, today I'm going to make something called kinetic sand, and it's made with things that you probably got at home. Okay, so you need some flour, which I have in here. You need some oil. I've got baby oil, but you can use cooking oil as well. You need a measuring cup, a bowl, and a spoon, and let's go. So the first thing I need is the flour, and I need 8 cups of flour. Now I'm just using a small cup, but if you use a bigger cup, you just have to remember that it's 8 cups of flour to 1 cup of oil. If you get it wrong, it could be really sticky and messy. So here goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one, 8. That's the first bit. The next thing I said we needed was some oil. You can use baby oil or cooking oil. I like the baby oil because it smells lovely. Okay, so here we go. We need to fill it right up, right up, right up to the top, and finish. Then we're going to pour that in. Now, if you want to add some colour at this time, you can do. And you can make it any colour you want, but I'm just going to have my plain white snowy dough. Okay, so you just keep mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing. You might want to get your hands in. It looks a little bit like I'm baking, doesn't it? Like I'm baking a cake. Okay, keep going. Now, if your young person might put their fingers in their mouth, it's probably best not to use baby oil, which isn't taste safe, and it's probably better to use cooking oil, which is. Okay, so you just have to keep mixing, and then eventually, oh, you have got your special kinetic sand. So when you've finished mixing the oil into your flour, you can try making some different shapes. Okay, you can squeeze it into a nice ball. Look at that. Or you could squeeze it in to a sausage shape. Oh, it keeps crumbling. Not very good. Or you can crumble it back up and make a handprint. Look at that. Have fun, guys, and be aware it's very messy.